Young Vital, I'm the man of the hour. Call him yo Mr. Right, but call me in the hour. And yeah, I got some homies that be cooking that flour. Only focus on two things, that be money and power. Never roll in the garden if the flowers are sour. Never hated on nobody, I leave that to the cowards. When I'm standing on my money, I'm in out with the towers. Probably call up your girl when I get out of the shower. Mrs. Superfly, kinda shy. She my girl, but you can try. Gang bang, choo-choo train, pop it, drop it, do your thing. Young Vital, baby, he may be overrated. The women see his money, now they wanna be his lady, huh? I got on my Levi's, she got on her halter top. I just popped up in the spot, now she calling my phone a lot. I'm hotter than your bowling pot, everybody know I rock. This is Young Vital, and he going up to the top. When I'm in the studio, I put my phone on vibrate. Now I'm making money, they always up in my face. You rappers getting old pretty quick, just like MySpace. And I'm about to put a spot on the map for MySpace. Just broke up with Tasha, so I may be sounding bitter. Everybody follow me, man, my life's another Twitter. YV, ain't nobody iller. This beat was just a snack and all you rappers gon' be dinner.